Hello everyone, today we have a new update, our Claude SEO Brain, guys. That's right. Of course, we have so many brains, we definitely needed one for our high-end winner, which is Claude SEO. Guys, to start first, we have the update going on right now here. We have a Claude SEO version 3, so Pro-only feature on the Pro SEO Brain branch. So guys, you will need to update from our private GitHub organization. So this is the version 3 of the current brain, because I have been testing and iterating before. Even right now I'm pushing some updates here and there, but it is done. So let me show you around the brain exactly what we have inside. So now guys, the exact same way, just hook it to your Claude agent and then just let it hook. Here inside we have really all the data about all the skills, about the old / commands. We have prompts for everything. We have information, we have API endpoints, we have instructions on how to set up everything, MCP extensions, for example, right? MCP is needed to set up for each and every specific skill. So this is a full-on brain, full-on vault, researched yesterday, 1 day ago, everyone. So currently it's 2nd of July. This was done yesterday. Some researches were done also from today. Just of course to make sure that everything here is properly and set up to date, especially in regards to latest Google Analytics. Yeah, so this is very important. And that's it. This is the Claude SEO version 2.2. I'll name it. This is the brain itself. But the way it's just an extension, it's like a patch guide, so you can just add it to your arsenal. Just alongside that, it will help whenever you're using Claude SEO for any sort of SEO audits. It will pick relevant principles in regards to that. So again, same here, we have also the library of prompts. It is similar to the Marketing Hub library, but here inside we have also more detailed in a way in regards to everything SEO related. So guys, this is our new updated Claude SEO. Just make sure you update, and I hope you will gonna like it. See ya.